Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got another TV unboxing for you. This time it's the highly anticipated LG QNED90. And this is a 4K mini LED TV. We're gonna open up the box, we're gonna show you what's inside, and then kind of give you our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. So here we have all the accessories, and as you can see, it doesn't come with a whole lot of them. We've got all of our paperwork. Then we have the pedestal feet along with a couple of covers that go on the back as a form of cable management. Then we have a couple of clips that hold the cables in place along with not a zip tie, but it's an extra little piece that's going to hold your power cord down. Then we've got some screws that go into the pedestal feet to hold it onto the TV, the redesigned one remote, and some batteries for that one. So we've got the TV all set up on its pedestal. It does only come with one configuration though, which is pretty wide, so keep that in mind if you have a narrow TV stand. Otherwise, the big benefit of the QNED90 is those mini LEDs, and so far, it's very impressive. We're gonna take a closer look at it in our full overview, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I think people are gonna be really happy with this one. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming overview video, and we'll see you in the next one.